Listen up. I know you all have some hungry kids at home because, well, school has not started yet. So I'm going to put you on to this snack that they're just going to devour. And they are going to absolutely love you for this. I made some pizza bombs, and my kids and myself, we love these. Let's get into this. In the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast, 4 tablespoons of regular sugar, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To this, I'm adding in 2 cups of warm water. Make sure it's between 110 to 115 degrees. Whisk that all together. Cover for 10 minutes just to let the yeast activate. Once it's activated, add in 3 more cups of all-purpose flour, a third cup of olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt. Kneading this for a good 10 minutes. Start on low and then on high. After 10 minutes, your dough should look like this, and it's going to be slightly sticky, and that's okay. That's what you want to get some very nice, soft pizza bombs. Add flour to your surface and knead for about 3 minutes. Form into a ball, and what I do, I just measure this whole ball and then I divide it into 30 pieces. Each piece is going to weigh about 45 to 46 grams. Make your dough balls, and once these are done, I'm going to just fill half with pepperoni and mozzarella cheese, and the other half is going to be plain cheese. Just stuff it with all that goodness, pinch it on the bottom, and just roll it into a ball and set aside. You can also add pizza sauce to these. I decided not to. We're just going to dip these into some pizza sauce. And once these are all done, I'm going to brush with an egg wash, which is just 1 egg and a little bit of milk. You can use water. To half of these, I'm going to add some everything bagel seasoning. I'm going to bake these at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. The other half, I'm going to add a garlic butter mixture, which is 4 tablespoons of melted butter, half tablespoon of garlic salt, and a half tablespoon of dried basil. And that is it. I'm going to just plate them all beautiful for when the kids wake up, and that's going to be their surprise. Look at all of that cheese, the pepperoni. These pizza bombs are just absolutely delicious. And now that the kids are home, this is what they request a lot. I made this once, and now they want this all the time. And honestly, I don't mind making it because I enjoy it just as much as they do. That's it. That's how I make my pizza bombs. Enjoy.